Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use function called find in page on Opera GX on Android. To do this, go to any website that you want to find a text on it, like Wikipedia for example, and we'll be looking for a text word called English here. So we press this button right here, go to find in page. Now the text will pop up right here. You press on it and start writing what word or sentence you want to find. We're going for English, and it found it. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.